Hello and welcome to another glass of bubbly video. My name is Oliver Walkie, and in this video I'm going to be tasting the Elderflower Blush sparkling wine from Renegade and LongTon. This is a rosé. They do also have a white version which I tasted in another video. Oh, it's got a nice fresh aroma. It's got rose petals, candy floss. It's a lovely aroma of candy floss, and some white strawberries. Some dry raspberries. And some delicate pink blossom, I'd say. Now I'm going to show you how to make the strawberry flower cocktail. All you're going to need is the Elderflower Blush sparkling wine and a strawberry and cream gin liqueur from Manchester Drinks. Now I've had a little taste of this, and this tastes exactly like strawberry and creams. It's incredible. It's a must try this one. I know it was selling really fast, so definitely pick this one up if you can. So first, this is a very simple cocktail. 25 ml of strawberry and cream gin liqueur. Pour that into the glass, and then simply top up with some Elderflower Blush, about half a glass, and then garnish with a couple of strawberries. Mini strawberries would be best, but you can do one big strawberry if you like. There you go. The strawberry flower cocktail looks lovely. Now to taste the strawberry flower cocktail, I've just removed the strawberries to make it easier to drink. So lovely fresh strawberries on the aroma, probably because some of the strawberry juices are still running down the side, and sweet cream from the liqueur. Oh, that is nice. If you like eating strawberries and cream, you'll love this. It's strawberry and cream initially. At first, a lovely burst. And then, over time, the elderflower sort of sneaks up on you and takes centre stage at the end. It's a lovely combination. Both flavours are there in the drink. Nothing's overpowering. It's truly wonderful. Strawberry and cream, elderflower. It's a great mix.